My name is Aneka Townsend, but you may know me as Slickiana on Instagram. My friends call me K-Ann. I am a popular social media influencer and entrepreneur. I was a 35 years old single mom, and regardless of the hate I constantly receive, I had just bought my new home and was loving life when everything changed forever. On October 20th, 2022, I traveled from my home in Kingston to Montego Bay in Jamaica. I was linking up with a guy called Rashawn, who I had met through mutual friends. He picked me up at 7:30 p.m. and we went to a restaurant in Hanover. After that, we checked into a guest house in St. James, where we planned to stay the night. Sometime between 11 p.m. that night and 9 a.m. the next morning, an argument started between us and, well, Rashawn showed his true colors. I put up a fight, but he was too strong, and little did I know he had a history of violence against women. He even killed someone before. How is he even free? On October 21st, 2022, the day after he picked me up, the Marine Police found me. I only had shoes on and was floating, lifeless, in the sea in a place called Reading in Montego Bay, St. James. The cause of my untimely end? Strangulation. I took my very last breath just hours before. My family, friends and fans got to work along with the police. And soon after Rashawn was found, he was on the run and hiding in a guest house in Hanover. Another man called Rohan Rose was also charged. He was a security guard who knew what Rashawn did to me, but said nothing. I leave my one son and mother behind, along with a few close friends. Nobody deserves this kind of treatment from anyone. Stop violence against women.